Hi guys, my name's Kevin. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Phoibos 300 meter diver. We'll also do a review. I've had this watch for about 6 weeks now, so I'd like to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. Alright, let's get into it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if there's a picture that you want from a different angle that will help you, maybe purchase or not purchase this item, just let me know and I'll get it into the video for you. Okay, I'd like to start the unboxing by just going through all the specs of the watch. Okay, again, the model number on this is the PY006b 300 meter Phoibos. I say it Phoibos, 300 meter dive watch. I got it in blue. It's a beautiful blue there. Yeah, it's my first blue watch, and I'm really impressed with the blue on this watch. Right, so the case size comes in at 40 millimeters with a thickness of 14 millimeters. Everything is 316 stainless steel. Your caliber is a Miyota 82S0. It comes with a 120 click bezel, screw down crown, and Super Luminova C1, and a sapphire crystal. Which is great specs for a watch at this price. The online price was $169. So with the conversion to euros, shipping's included. I got it to the door for 148 euro, and it was here within a week, less than a week, which was really impressive. It's a really good looking watch. It's a very classy looking watch. It's got a very high shine and polish to it. Like I said, I've had it for 6 weeks and I've been wearing it a lot. And for the time I was wearing it, I always got compliments. I went and got my hair cut, and my barber couldn't get over it. He thought it was the greatest thing. When I told him the price, he couldn't believe it. But it is, because of that shine, it is also a fingerprint magnet. But if you want the shine, as soon as you put it on, I give it a polish with a quick cloth, and then I'm not going to be touching it for the rest of the day. I just look at it and it maintains that shine properly. So on to the quality of this watch. It's a well put together piece of machinery for this price point. It's amazing. For 150 euro, what is it, 30% of the Steinhardt price? I have a Steinhardt OVM 42 mil that I wear in a NATO. That's my everyday watch. And I also have a 39 millimeter Ocean One ceramic. And those watches are around 400 euro or 450 euro. This is 150 euro, and it's a pretty darn good watch for that price. So yeah, very well impressed with the quality of it, and even the boxing and everything. The unboxing, you saw the boxes, the quality. They're pretty decent for this price point. It's well put together. It's a good package for 150 euro. So on to the wrist shot. It comes with 3 micro adjustments. Yeah, I got a good fit on this watch. Really nice fit. I had to take 3 links out. They use the pins, not the screw out ones like Steinhardt, but no problems there. Adjusted it, and yeah, I got a really good fit. Now, like I said before, I'm used to normal everyday. I'm used to a NATO, so the weight of the watch, you're talking 177 grams. On paper, I got 165 on mine. When I weighed it, I have a picture of it there at the end. I'll throw it in of it on the scales. Yeah, for the bracelet, it is heavy. I'm used to that. But once I put it on the NATO, I loved it. It was great. A very comfortable watch. What else can I say? Top marks for quality, top marks for delivery, top marks for transaction with Phoibos. They have a new line coming out, and they're changing. Kind of my only one negative about the watch would be the way it says Phoibos across the front. It's just kind of boring. So I think their new line is coming out with an octopus. So that kind of changes it up. Makes it a bit more of their own identity, in a sense. So yeah, love it. Really happy with the watch. Here's a few pictures, and here's a picture of the leather strap and stuff like that, and the weight, just to finish everything up. And like I said, if you guys have any questions or concerns, just comment below, and I'll help you out in any way I can. Thanks for watching.